What do you never hear from online marketers bragging about results? How much money they spent to get those results. In any business, net profit is what counts. Might be nice to make $1,000 in sales, but not if it costs you $1,200 to make those sales. Whatever you're promoting online, affiliate offers, physical goods, or even products from your own local store, you just need two things to profit: traffic and leads. Get prospects in the door, turn them into leads, then use marketing to convert leads into buyers. This is exactly what massive companies like Apple, Amazon, and Netflix do. It's also how online marketers like Frank Kern, Russell Brunson, and Tai Lopez have built seven-figure empires. Now, every business has certain fixed costs, tools needed to drive traffic and sales, but in digital marketing, we often forget about these costs because they don't seem like very much at the time. It's not like we're building a brick-and-mortar store, paying a lease, and buying thousands in inventory, right? So we shrug off the cost of the tools we're told are essential. Autoresponder for $50 per month? No problem. Facebook Messenger bots for $15 all the way up to $300 monthly? Cost of doing business. Page building software to create offers and sites? $297 per month seems fair. Add these up and you're looking at hundreds of dollars in fixed cost per month before you've made a single sale. Suddenly, even $1,000 sales days are essential just to break even. What if your overhead costs were slashed to zero? Imagine having access to all the tools you needed to profit online without paying for them, and turning every single sale into 100% pure profits. What sounds like a dream is actually a reality, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. After spending close to $1,000 per month on basic essentials to run our online businesses, we looked at ways to cut costs and found, after intensive research, completely free softwares that did the same job or better, including a free page builder with all the features of softwares charging hundreds of dollars per month, a zero-cost messenger software that automates your Facebook marketing, a quality email autoresponder that lets you send unlimited emails without paying any cost per subscriber, retargeting tools so you can advertise to your visitors at zero cost. Almost overnight, our $1,000 monthly overhead was cut to zero. But we were skeptical. How could completely free tools perform as well or better than those costing hundreds of dollars per month? So we tested them, and here are just some of the results. One traffic and lead campaign drove over 100 new email subscribers, 300 Facebook notification leads, and $1,000 in affiliate commissions. We tried again with another new campaign and banked over $2,000 in commissions. With free tools, we've been making pure profits. Seemed too good not to share. So we combined these zero-cost softwares with our unique twist on traffic and list building to develop an all-in-one profit system for anyone. Welcome to Triple Traffic Bots, your solution to 3 times your traffic and profits. Overnight, you'll be building 2 types of lists at the exact same time, get paid as you build those lists, and tap into multiple platforms to maximize long-term profits. Here's how. First, you'll get insider access to the exact free tools we use to drive traffic and leads. These are hard to find, but you'll get direct links to each software. Second, we'll walk you through the simple steps to use these free tools to drive free traffic, generate leads, and profit from whatever you're promoting. Third, once you're in profit, we'll show you exactly how to scale to life-changing income. We're handing you a proven online income system with no upfront costs for tools. Every lead, sale, and commission means pure profits because the tools you use cost $0. You'll effortlessly build powerful lists on 2 top converting platforms. Email, generate targeted lists of email subscribers and enjoy the highest ROI possible in online marketing. Facebook Messenger, used by over 1.5 billion people monthly, This platform consistently gets marketers 80+% open rates and 45+% click-through rates. As great as email is, messenger marketing is the future. What do you do when you get a Facebook message? Open it right away? And so do an average of 80% of consumers that get Facebook messages. This platform is already dialed in for mobile users, and existing tech lets you sell from inside Messenger. Ezra Firestone, an e-commerce marketing legend, put it this way: with way higher open and click rates, a Messenger subscriber is 5 to 10 times more valuable than an email subscriber. With triple traffic bots, you get the power of both email and Messenger subscribers being added to your lists. Then we'll show you how to plug the traffic leak by reconnecting with page visitors that don't subscribe the first time and turn those visitors into buyers for pennies on the dollar. Triple Traffic Bots is your all-in-one traffic and profit solution. The included methods and free softwares puts the highest possible profits in your pocket. Tested and proven not just by us, but by dozens of demanding marketers. You'll see their actual feedback just below this video message. You'll hear, in their own words, how this is the ultimate profit tool by both eliminating costs and maximizing sales. During this special launch celebration, we're including multiple bonuses to take your results to the next level. These are only available during the launch period, and you don't want to miss out on them. Your one-time cost has been steeply discounted during this launch. Get access to everything, the softwares, and step-by-step training for less than the cost of a takeout lunch. And if you're on the fence, no worries. You'll get 30 days to try out Triple Traffic Bots for yourself, risk-free. If for any reason you're not happy, your money back. That's how confident we are this will work for you. Log in, grab the free softwares, copy the simple steps inside, and make money. If not, you don't pay a dime. Traffic and leads, they're all you need. What you don't need is to pay for flashy softwares charging you hundreds per month. The zero-cost solution for unlimited profits is waiting for you below. Check out all the details below. Pay special attention to the proofs and feedback from real users, then lock in your discount now, and we'll see you on the inside.